Hey everybody, here's part 3 of the how to draw video where you learn how to draw the bird with the letter F. Hope you guys enjoy. And last but not least, we've got Mr. Bird here, made from the letter F. So we're going to start this one off by drawing a lowercase f. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to draw right in this section right here, you're going to draw a big circle for its eyeball. And it's not a perfect circle, but that's okay, I kind of made it fit in that area. Okay, and then you can also draw another circle on the inside. What I like to also do, if you want to create a highlight for the eye, I know you can't tell exactly how it's the bird yet, but this is the eye. If you want to create a highlight inside the eye, add a third circle inside there. I will show you how to fill that in because I'm going to wait and fill that in with Sharpie in a little bit. So next thing you're going to do is we are going to draw a curved line, almost following the same curve, but not quite. We're going to draw a line from here down to this kind of cross section right here. So to start it, you're going to go back up. This is going to be kind of like the part of the beak, the point of the beak, I mean, and then back down there. All right, and then the next thing you're going to do, by the way, at any time if I'm going too fast, please pause the video. Hopefully you're already doing that. And then the next thing you're going to do is we're going to draw some eyelashes on our bird here. So you're going to start kind of far back, low on the back of the eye, and we're just going to go up for one line. Start in the same place, but instead of drawing in the same line, you're going to go under it. So kind of like that. And then third line. So 1, 2, 3. Right there. Okay, next thing you're going to do is we are going to draw a line from the eyeball up to about here on the beak. Okay. Now we're going to draw a curved line from here to here. Alright. Next, we are going to draw a line from, actually no, we're not going to do that part yet, sorry. We're going to draw 3 kind of, I don't even know. They're going to look like cartoon hands kind of, or like part of a flower or something. But just kind of 3 little shapes like that there. Now we're ready to come up here. We're going to draw a line that goes from this kind of in-between line that we drew right here. We're going to start a line from here down. That's going to hit about here on this kind of weird shape that we drew. Just like that. Okay. Next, we are going to draw a line from here to here. We are almost done, folks. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw 3 more lines, kind of similar to this shape. We're going to do it down here. This is going to be its tail feather. It's kind of funny looking. And then we're going to draw 2 feet and triangle shapes at the bottom for some kind of simple bird feet. Alright, boom, we've got our bird done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to outline it and color it in.